preview, take a look at this 2010 Ford Fusion SE. This one's powered by the 3.0 V6 with an automatic transmission. She's got like 149 on the odometer. Come on, we'll take a closer look at it. Not gonna go inside just yet because I want to point out right here on the shoes, because you got brand new rubber right there all the way around. So you got good tread. Nothing you're gonna have to worry about anytime soon. And then right inside here, you got the premium cloth seats there. You can see this one's cleaned up pretty well. And in the dash, you got the CD player. This thing has a CD. You all still have CDs? I don't know, you can play them in this. Back seat here, you got the 4-door sedan, so you can fit 3 in the back. I don't know, it's clean. You can fit people back there, maybe some car seats. I don't know, what do you need to put back there? Let's talk about back here in the trunk, because sedans are always pretty misleading as far as the trunk space. It looks really small, but when you get in there, if the lighting will work with you there, you can see you got plenty of space in there for luggage, and then split folding seats, so these will shoot down just like that in case you want to put some lumber in there. Or if you can afford 2x4s, you should be able to buy this thing with cash anymore, right? Guys, this one here is a local trade that has had 0 reported accidents. You were talking about some fuel economy. You're looking at pretty close to 30 miles a gallon on the highway on this one. So if you want to get this in your driveway, all I need you to do, come on in here. It's a beautiful week it is today anyways. I don't know what it'll be like tomorrow, but get on in here. Come take this for a test drive. See any of our certified salesmen, and they can help you out with that. You can schedule a test drive in advance by messages right here on whatever platform it is that you're watching us on today. Go ahead and message us here, and we'll get back with you as quickly as possible. Or just give us a call at 308-532-4100. We'll get you set up that way too, guys. Take a look, 2010 Ford Fusion. Let's make it yours. We'll talk to you soon.